If you are hungry for adventure, it's time about to hit that subscribe button, because we are going on a little journey together. And not just any journey, but to a place I never explored before. Welcome to Glasgow. Starting at Queen Street Station, the heart of Glasgow, you can barely contain your excitement as you step onto the George Street. It's a treasure trove of history, vibrant culture, and the home of some spectacular haggis. If you're like me and have a penchant for a good walk, George Street is your golden ticket. Here, history meets hipsters, from beautiful historic venues to the cutest local shops, where you can buy anything from vintage vinyl records to a Scottish kilt. And speaking of kilts, did you know that back in 18th century, wearing one in Scotland could get you 6 months in jail? That's right, the Dress Act of 1746 actually made it illegal. But don't worry, you are safe to sport one today. Just be prepared for the Glasgow wind. Next up, Kelvingrove Park, one of the Glasgow's oldest public parks. Imagine Central Park with a Scottish accent. And of course, the ever-present Glasgow pigeons. You're never truly alone with a pigeon at your side. If you are feeling a wee bit magical, then the Glasgow University is your Hogwarts. The historic and spectacular building makes you feel like you are about to get sorted into your house by a talking hat. But alas, no magical spells here, just a ton of knowledge and lovely university cafe. Well, the sun was out in a full force, baking me like a potato. But that didn't stop me from making my way to the majesty Glasgow Cathedral. This beautiful cathedral dates back to the 12th century, and it's the only mainland Scottish cathedral that have survived the Reformation intact. A little tip for you, it's not only a place of worship but also a perfect shade provider. So there you have it, my solo adventure to the vibrant city of Glasgow. Subscribe and stay tuned for more journeys, because as they say in Glasgow, the best is yet to come. Or was that Sinatra? Well, you get the point. And until then, stay adventurous, my friends.